Welcome back to 7-Minute Options on this Friday, June 18th. And just checking in on some of our positions that we opened up recently, looking at my account overall. So nothing got filled this morning. Usually I like to check my orders in the morning, see if any one of my GTC orders got triggered, and nothing. Everything is just working, waiting for that premium to come in, and nothing came in this morning. So I guess I'll be waiting till at least next week to collect on some of these trades. But let's take a quick look at some of the positions. So gold and silver finally coming around. So gold, after that massive gap down a few days ago, yesterday, you can see gold is just that little green sliver right there is just starting to come back. I expect it to sort of revert to the mean there, and that's looking good. So it's right at my break even right now. So I'm just gonna wait a few more days to see what happens. Hopefully I just need to trace back just above that blue line, or need it to go sideways. That's doing okay for me, so that's good. I was hoping that the downward trend didn't continue, and it's not continuing. Silver, same thing. I'm just a few cents above my short put here, and silver is just like gold. It is going flat or even just slightly green today. Perfect. Adobe, fantastic move here after the trade. So earnings came out yesterday, just after the closing bell. This morning, it gapped way up, and now it's coming back down. It's reverting to the mean, which is perfect. I mean, you can't time it, or you can't design it any better than that. We got really lucky on this one. So it opened up at our short strike on the call side, and now it's coming back down. It's actually doing pretty well right now. It's almost $10 below where it opened. So yeah, it's in between our short strikes. So right now I am 52 bucks up on the Adobe position, and again, my GTC order for that one is I'm looking for it to go another 53 more cents. So right now I can buy it back for $1.50. Recognize a $52 win or gain, but actually I'm going to hold it longer because the premium is going to come out of there really quick. This position closes in 7 days, so that's going well. Wish, we're up 37. That's fantastic. Let's see how Wish was doing. So yeah, we sold the naked put and sold a call spread. And let's look at the graph there. We don't have it in the graph there, but yeah, I didn't put the lines in. 14 and 10 are the two short strikes. So 14 on the call side, which is up there, and 10 on the put side, and it's moving up. It's moving away from our put. We still have a bit of a room to run here on the call side, and again, we don't have any risk on the upside for Wish, so that's perfect. I'm happy with that one. And yeah, so that's the recent changes. Interesting position here on IPOD. I opened this a long time ago. I was really bullish on IPOD at the time, but I think a lot of the SPAC craziness has faded. I sold a 12.5 put, and I bought the 10 put just to make that a credit spread. Right now it's at 10.41, so I'm in a losing position on this one. And the big thing here is I sold 3 contracts. I usually like to stick to 1 contract, and for whatever reason, 147 days ago, I ended up talking myself into opening 3 contracts. Not the smartest thing. I like to keep it small, keep it simple. I like to open only 1 contract at a time. Yeah, maybe when my portfolio is bigger, etc., I'll open more at a time. But right now, this was a bit of a mistake. Interestingly enough, it's down 1 penny today, and yet Tasty is showing a P&L of $141 on a 1 penny move. Very interesting. I mean, yeah, sure, the IV is moving up a little bit, but it's been moving sideways mainly for the past 2 weeks. So I'm not sure what's happening there. I'm not sure why the P&L is so high there, but again, the P&L day-to-day, I'm not too worried about. I just don't like to see high numbers, because of the high numbers and the high P&Ls, that's what gives it the big day-to-day swing. So every time I see a high daily P&L, whether it's green or red, it just distorts the rest of my portfolio. But right now I'm sitting at 26 positive weighted betas, which is good. I got 52 theta, which I'm very happy about, considering my portfolio is just a few $100s underneath 20,000. So I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm doing okay overall. I'm just going to see where these positions go. All right, so that's a quick check-in on the positions. Nothing, not opening anything. I only have $2,700 in buying power. I don't want to push it any lower than that. I'm just waiting to close some of these positions, get some buying power back, and hopefully this buying power will go back into the $4,000, $5,000 range toward the end of next week. And we are about a week away from starting to roll, right? So next Friday will be at 21 days to expiration on a lot of these positions, and I'll be looking to close or roll them. So I think there's going to be a lot of rolling happening a week from now. All right, that's it in a nutshell. Thanks.